Hi, I'm 𝘄𝘄𝘄𝗃. We're here talking about some of Flipro's favourite projects. Today's project is Narre Warren. Not an overly large project, probably one of our smaller ones. We had a situation which was dealing with a deceased estate. Okay, so again, another curveball, another speed bump in regard to what the banks or the institutions do or don't like when they're getting involved with certain lending scenarios. Our situation was that it was a deceased estate. We had a widow that wanted to renovate the property to sell it, to obviously get the highest and best price for the property. When we went in there initially, we estimated that the property was worth about $480,000. It did need some serious work done to it, including kitchens and bathrooms. We ended up selling the property for $625,000 after inserting about $50,000 in the renovation budget, which was completed within 90 days and sold and settled within a 6-month period. It was one of those things that was referred to our client from a local tradesperson that could see that she was in a bit of a bind and obviously needed some assistance from us or from someone that had the understanding to partner with her in the project and wait to get paid when the property had been sold. It was extremely unique, that particular project, because we were dealing with a deceased estate. The client's husband had passed away, and although he was on title, and as was she, traditionally that is one that is completely out of the box for the mainstream lenders. It really needed a project partner to help deliver the project, to get the right agent involved, and to get the right strategy going with the right trades. It was one of the ones that I suppose at the end of the day you look back and you can be quite happy with what was achieved within the time frame, but also we helped out somebody that was really had an extra $60,000 or an extra $80,000 put into their pocket as a direct result of our works, something that we're quite proud of. Well, I think what made that project special, when I think about it, is that nobody else would have done it. We were the only ones in the country that would have helped this person under that type of scenario. And to us, to be able to see through the actual story rather than just ticking the boxes is the ultimate value add for us.